Okay, so St. Thomas and St. James, we are coming to your neck of the woods. This week on Water Wednesdays, we want to tell you about our newest mains lane project. Naima Hafeji, an engineer with us at the Barbados Water Authority, will be the lead on that project, and it's really good to hear about what is a new installation which will bring major benefits to the residents in those areas. There will be some disruption, though not with your water supply, but of course with the usual construction work, we have a lot of dust and some other things which Naima will bring us up to speed about. But first, let's talk about the project. Naima, great to have you back on the show.
Thank you, it's good to be here.
This new project, St. Thomas to St. James, tell us where exactly.
So we're looking at Seaview. This is from the St. Thomas Parish Church and about 2.2 kilometers just before Limegrove. So we're looking to change out the water mains there, including some of the off branches and some of the neighborhoods along that route.
Pretty long stretch,
yes,
going downhill. Talk a bit about some of the plans around the project.
So right now we are at the design phase, and that includes sizing the pipes for the peak water demand. So that's one component of the design. The second component would be the networking. I've had conversations with some of the other utilities, and we have buried electrical cables, gas mains, and flow lines.
Wow.
So we have to maneuver around what exists, including our water mains.
So as you mentioned, a number of moving parts with this project.
Yes.
Navigating those will not be easy. Always a challenge which
Yes.
the Barbados Water Authority is up to. What can the residents expect as you get ready to get this project started?
So we do expect to have heavy equipment in the area. We will be trenching alongside existing utilities, so we would have flow and NPC at our beck and call basically. Our normal working hours is 8 to 4. Do expect a lot of noise, a lot of dust, one lane traffic. There may be times where we will have road closures. Those will be announced in notices beforehand. So we just need that assistance from the residents and all that, on all those who traverse the road at the time. One of the biggest challenges we've been having is reinstating the roads. And now we have rains coming in often. We're looking to do some temporary reinstatement works as we progress with our job. So it's important that we set schedules and follow those very, very tightly.
So Engineer Hafeji, let's look at the project scope now. It is a priority. Maybe tell us why, how long are we looking at, and how do we keep connected with the public, especially those residents, to tell them what is happening with it?
So it's been a priority. One, we have frequent bursts there, and it's very age and old mains. We are looking at a 6 to 8 month window in terms of the construction, and we're hoping to connect with the residents very soon with a community town hall. It's very likely going to be held at the St. Thomas Parish Church, and details for that would be released shortly in our WhatsApp channel and other media outlets.
So as Engineer Hafeji mentioned, look out for more information coming on all of our usual channels, and of course right here on Water Wednesdays. Again, thank you, Engineer Hafeji, for bringing us up to date on this major mains lane project. To see this or previous episode again, please visit our website, www.barbadoswaterauthority.com. You can go to our socials on Facebook and Instagram. You need to check in with our WhatsApp channel, subscribe to that, and also subscribe to our Water Wednesdays channel on YouTube. You can find us there.
Make use of rainwater when it rains. It's easy. Collect rainwater in a covered container and use that water for watering plants, washing your car, or for any other jobs that don't require potable water. This is a water conservation tip from the Barbados Water Authority.